Best oils for a soft skin. Essential oils are very nourishing and protective, and have always been used to take care of the skin thanks to their great composition. For a soft skin, essential oils are a perfect cure. They keep the skin hydrated by preventing its water from evaporating, and also provide mostly essential fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9, and vitamin E that allow them to heal dry skin. 1. Avocado oil. It's easily absorbed by the skin, leaving a protective film all upon it. Its high oleic acid tenor also makes it a natural softener that mollifies the skin while moisturizing. 2. Olive oil. The fatty acids contained in olive oil make it an excellent source of hydration, suitable for all skin types. It's easily assimilated by the epidermis, which uses it to reconstruct its hypolipidic film. 3. Argan oil. With its high content of fatty acids, omega-6 and 9, vitamin E, argan oil has great moisturizing properties, scientifically recognized. Very nourishing, it's ideal to improve the elasticity and the firmness of the skin when used daily, pure or mixed with a cream, and preferably in the evening because of its very greasy texture. 4. Wheat germ oil. This softening and very emollient oil gives your skin a supple and soft touch due to its richness in omega-6. 5. Sweet almond oil. It moisturizes all types of skin and is particularly recommended for dry or irritated skin because it penetrates the skin very easily. Only a few drops are enough.